Hi and welcome to another episode of Life of Pang. Hey, today we're going to do something slightly different. We're going to have a bake-off challenge. That's right, a bake-off between my rice cooker and my pressure cooker. And you know what we're baking? Chocolate chip oatmeal raisin cookies. In today's challenge, I'm going to bake half of the batter in my rice cooker and half of the batter in my pressure cooker and see which one comes out the best as far as making cookies. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. All right, time for the taste test. That was the rice cook one. It's actually the right cookie texture. It's very moist. I like that a lot. Now let's try the pressure cooker one. That one is good too. It has a much more drier taste to it. It's a little bit more crunchy. They both have cookie texture to it. One is much softer and one is much more crunchy. With the pressure cooker, I did bake it twice, 15 minutes each, and I think it might have been a little bit too much. So my recipe, I think I'm gonna cut it down to maybe 10 minutes and then let it rest for 20 minutes and then bake it for maybe another 10 minutes or so, and then just take it out to let it cool. The rice cooker, I did just bake it for 2 cycles. Again, I bake it, wait 30 minutes, bake it again, wait 30 minutes, and took it out and let it cool. And both are really good and delicious. I think I prefer the softer one, so in this round, I think the rice cooker beat the pressure cooker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I hope you come back and watch another video. So until next time, happy baking! Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so. I really hope you come back and watch more videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.